sneezing reflex. It is similar to expiratory effort with a continuously open glottis. Then we have deglutition reflex. During swallowing of the food, there is a temporary arrest of respiration, is called as deglutition apnea, and this occurs during the pharyngeal stage, that is the second stage of deglutition, and it prevents the entry of food particles into respiratory tract. The nerve involved in this reflex is glossopharyngeal nerve. Others like rise in the body temperature causes hyperventilation, and sharp acute pain increases the rate of respiration